Hello everyone. Welcome to your own channel. Verified Airdrop SG, subscribe our channel. And also join our Telegram channel for regular updates. Humster Kombat, announced listing. Here is how to connect Binance Exchange for withdrawal. Open Humster and click on Airdrop. You can connect Binance, OKX, Bybit, Telegram Wallet, EBI Exchange, On-Chain Airdrop. Click on Binance. Click. Yes, I have it. Now open Binance. Search HMSTR. Click on Deposit HMSTR. Choose TON Network. Now copy deposit address and paste on Humster Kombat. Now copy HMSTR memo and paste on Humster. Now click on Save and choose. Here you go. Your withdrawal address set. Thanks for watching.